to share with you one of our great DIY ideas, craft/DIY ideas for my brother's teacher, kindergarten teacher, because he's in kindergarten. And so we're thinking for the class to do something very nice for the teacher, end of the school year gift to make for her. And so we got these packs, and one whole pack, and it has all these, so these are all the same thing. Then the back has different things. So about one pack is a dollar, about $1. And we got these at Tuesday morning because they were on sale. And we also have this one.
Are we going to use the spins?
And also so what you do for this project is you get the scissors and you just cut every section apart, and then cut it until they look like this. There's different notes and cards, and you cut them out, and then we're going to have every child in his class write something and very nice, a special note for the teacher. Like, there's some of these and they say, "I will always remember," and they'll write something about a time they always remember. Some says, "Oh, happy day." They're very nice and they're decorated. Then some of them we're going to put photos from the parents from field trips. As I was saying, we're also going to do, if the parents of the kids, if they have any photos from field trips, you can put them in here so the teacher will remember them. And this is just things to write on. Just notebook thing that's decorated. This is a space to write in also, or you could put a picture in. And I'm just going to show you all of these. That way I can show you what they look like when they're done. Alright, so we have all different types. Photos are actually going to go inside the album, and I'll show you what that will be like. And these papers, cardstock, are actually going to be for the kids to draw pictures and write special notes to the teacher. Okay, this one says, "I will always remember." Then this one says, "One of a kind." And this one's a nice one to draw on and write. This one says, "Happy times." Write about your favorite time they had with a teacher. Oh, this one also says, "You are the story." This one says, "My favorite." And this one says, "Smiles." And this one's a nice one for people to draw on. This one says, "Memories." Then this one says, "Happy times" again. And then there's also another one for people to draw right on. Then it comes back to the other ones again. What you're going to need for this project is just these packs of these cardstock papers, cards with sayings on it. You're going to need those, and you're going to need some scissors to cut them, and an album. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it's going to look like in the end when it's all finished. So this is a nice album. It says photographs on it, very girly-like. So this is a look of the inside. So this is what it looks like if you put these inside. some of the ones with papers in it, the kids will write on and draw pictures and decorate and write special notes to the teacher. And then here, some of them we can put in papers, and some of them we can put in photos of the kids on field trips. So that's a very nice album. That's what it looks like in the end. And I'll give you a close-up of each. So we're going to ask the parents for photos of the kids, and then we're going to print them out and put them in this very nice album. And I like the patterns and the designs on this album. It's very cute. We're going to ask the parents for photos of the kids for class projects and field trips and all different things. And we're going to print those out and put them in the album and have the kids write special notes to the teachers and draw nice pictures too. So I hope that this is a great idea for you guys, and I hope that you guys might find it useful, and it's a simple way to make some very nice cards and things and put them in an album for your teacher. And I hope that it turns out well for you guys, and please give us a thumbs up. Bye!